Alright guys, I hope everyone's well. So this is going to be a short video explaining how to set up your WordPress account to be able to complete your blog assignment. So just go ahead and go to wordpress.com, and up here in this right corner you'll be able to see a login or get started. Whether if you already have one, then awesome, go ahead and log in and use that account. If not, go ahead and click get started. Alright, so obviously here it was already some information. It might start you up here where you'll be able to put some information about your website, the stuff you'll be sharing, and continue, and then you'll choose a domain, and then you go ahead and click the free plan after this page. As I already have an account, let me go ahead and log into that one. Alright, so once you've logged in and answered all the questions and signed up to your account, go to my site and you should see something like this. So over here on this toolbar, you'll be able to go to customize, and you'll be able to customize what you want on your website, and like the colors, the themes, the pictures. But up here on this right hand side, right top corner, go to write, this button here, so it'll bring you to this page. So this is where you're going to be writing your blog and completing the assignment. Now go ahead and choose the title. Make sure it's something clear, something simple, that at the end of the day gets the point across. So we're just going to go ahead and alright, so that's what we were talking about in class, and that's what you're going to be writing on. So I'll just go ahead and put that as the title. You go ahead and choose your own, and let's go ahead and write something about it real quick. Alright, so now that we have something written there, you go ahead and go to preview. Make sure you guys reread and proofread what you've written. Make sure it makes sense and you don't have any typos or mistakes. So as I said, I was already personalizing, customizing my own web page. You can see that. I'll probably leave a reply. But what's really important here, guys, is once you go ahead and click publish, it'll publish it, and then your blog will be online. And this toolbar up here, you're going to see this option to be able to copy the link to your website. So go ahead and copy that, and that's what you're going to go ahead and send me through email. And make sure that the subject line is blog assignment link. Alright, so and then you go ahead and send me that as an email, and that's how you'll be submitting this assignment. Make sure that the blog itself is at least 350 words, and you use at least 3 of the new technologies that were discussed in class. Alright, so if you have any more questions or anything, please email me or just come talk to me, and good luck.